Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I'm sitting in a 2013 Town and Country minivan, and I will show you how to pair and connect a Bluetooth smartphone. This video will apply to Chrysler Town and Countries made from 2011 all the way up to 2016. Okay, so to pair a Bluetooth device, you will have to follow voice commands. You won't be able to do it just by typing onto the radio. So to start, you want to press this phone button.
Ready.
Set up.
Select one of the following: device pairing, confirmation prompts, select phone, select audio device, language, emergency, towing assistance, SMS incoming message announcement, voice training, or reset.
Device pairing.
Do you want to pair a device, delete a device, or list paired devices?
Pair a device.
Refer to www.chrysler.com/Uconnect for a list of supported Bluetooth devices. Please say a 4-digit PIN number.
1, 2, 3, 4.
PIN code 1234. Is this correct?
Yes.
Please say the name of the device after the beep.
Samsung.
Adding.
Samsung.
Is this correct?
Yes.
Assign a priority level between 1 and 7. 1 is the highest priority.
1.
Samsung.
Set to priority 1. Is this correct?
Yes.
Start pairing procedure on device. See device manual for instructions.
And now I will continue this video by recording the screen on my phone. So first you want to enable the Bluetooth on your device. And then you want to scroll all the way down under available devices. Now getting device name, I'm still waiting. This should be Uconnect. Once it finds it. Okay, Uconnect, you want to press that. And now you will enter the pin you set up previously. In my case, it was 1, 2, 3, 4, and press pair.
Pairing complete.
And that's it. And now here on top of pair devices, you will have a Uconnect, connector for calls and audio. Also, you can select if you want Uconnect to access your messages, yes or no. I will say no, deny. And this should work for both phone calls and listening to the music. Also, you can allow access to your phone book contacts if you want to. I'm gonna say no. And that's it. This is how you can pair a device on a Town and Country minivan. Thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews, and other similar automotive topics.